Welcome to the Natural Remedy Quiz. Herb test your knowledge and discover the healing power of herbs, roots, and natural ingredients. Can you guess them all? Let's begin.
Which fruit is a powerful vitamin C booster? Amla strengthens immunity. Which mushroom improves cognitive function? Lion's mane stimulates nerve growth. Which leaf supports thyroid function with iodine? Bladderwrack rich in iodine for thyroid balance. Which herb is a natural remedy for urinary infections? Uva ursi traditionally used to treat UTIs. Which spice calms bloating and stomach cramps? Anise is carminative and helps digestion. Which wild root detoxifies blood and treats skin? Burdock root. Burdock supports liver and skin health. Which herb balances hormones in women? Dong Quai, called the female ginseng. Which bush leaf reduces blood sugar naturally? Banaba leaf contains corosolic acid for glucose control. Which herb helps treat malaria symptoms? Wormwood, used in traditional malaria treatment. Which bark relieves joint pain and inflammation? Frankincense. Boswellic acids reduce joint swelling. Thanks for playing. Did you learn something new today? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health quizzes. Want the preparation guide? Comment below.